हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई होप यू ऑल वुड बी डूइंग वेरी गुड। वेलकम टू द क्लास। विद मी टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू गो ऑन a new learning journey with me. So what is that? Let's unfold the mystery together, but before that let me introduce myself first. I am Deepak Kumar and I am a Royal Mechanical Engineer. I have cracked IIT JEE, NDA, CDS, IMO with international rank 94, SSC CGL. And yes, I am a teacher by choice. So in today's class I am going to unveil some mystery. What is that? We will see. But before that, I would like to tell you one very important thing. Life is only good for two things: discovering mathematics and teaching mathematics. I love and enjoy doing both the things. So with me today, you are going to do something very amazing, and let's begin our adventure. So what you can see here, you can see the Great Pyramid of Giza. I am going out of the slide so that you can see. Once you will see its cross-sectional view, what you will see? Once you will see its cross-sectional view, what you can see? You can see a triangular structure. Here is it. So, मुझे पता है आप सब लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि today we are going to learn something about triangle. And what in triangle? In triangle, we are going to learn something about Thales Theorem. What is Thales Theorem? Thales Theorem, which is also known as BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. So, you will ask me now, sir, what is the use of BPT? मैं बताऊंगा आपको कि BPT का रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन कहां है and what is the use of BPT here. Once you will see this amazing glass house, what you can see? You can see this amazing glass house has very much precision and it has also proportion or equal ratio. So Thales theorem was used to build this amazing glass house. So let's move forward and see how to prove this Thales theorem. What is important from your exam point of view. Moving forward, मैं अब आप लोगों के सामने Thales theorem प्रूव करने जा रहा हूं. What is Thales theorem? In Thales theorem, you have to look after one thing. You will be given one triangle and there will be one parallel line parallel to its base. What is that? Let's do it together. This is the triangle ABC. Let's name it A, B, C, and DE, that is parallel to base BC. Then what will happen? This DE, that is parallel to base BC, will divide the side of the triangle in equal ratio or in proportion. How that will happen? For that, if you will see it from exam point of view, we will have to do some construction. What construction we have to do? We will have to draw some perpendicular. We will draw one perpendicular, that is EF, perpendicular to base AD, and DG perpendicular, that is perpendicular to base AE. We have drawn these perpendiculars and we will join D from C to get two more triangles to prove this theorem, and B from E. Once we have joined these lines and these points, so now what we are going to do? We are going to prove these theorems. Now I will ask you one very simple formula. What is the formula of area of triangle? Now you will tell me what is area of triangle. I know you all know. Yes, I am getting so many answers. आप सबको पता है area of triangle is half into base into height. And what is that height? That height is perpendicular height. Perpendicular means the height which is at 90 degree. You can see it here and you can see it here as well. So now moving forward, we have to find the ratio of these triangles. Now we will take two triangles. The very first triangle will be triangle ADE and triangle BDE. So now as we are going to take the ratio of these two triangles, we will use the formula of area of triangle. So now area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. आप सब लोगों को बताना है. I know you all will tell me. Area of triangle AD, that will be half into base. Base is AD into height EF. Half into AD into EF. And what is the area of triangle BDE? As you will see now, BDE, this triangle D, that is more than 90 degree. I mean that is obtuse angle triangle. Here I will tell you one important thing that you would have learnt in class 6. वो क्या है? वो है कि once any triangle is obtuse angle triangle, then their perpendicular height will lie outside of the triangle, and EF will be the perpendicular height for triangle BDE. And in the similar way, for triangle CD and E, DG will be perpendicular height. So once we are going to find that area, so we will use DG as perpendicular height. So once we have to find this BDE, we will write it as half into BD. This is BD, base, into perpendicular height, that is EF. अब आप लोग इसको सॉल्व करोगे. I can see so many students are solving this, and this half and half will be cancelled, and EF will be cancelled. So what we got here? We got AD upon BD. That is equal to AD upon BD. Let's consider this as equation number 1. हम लोगों ने इसको equation number 1 consider कर लिया और हम लोग इसको याद रखेंगे. So now I'm going to rough it, and I'm going to see this triangle from the right part. We have got in equation number 1 AD upon BD. So once we will see it from right part, and we are going to consider two triangles ADE. This is D and this is E. ADE and CDE. Once we will consider these triangles, we will take the ratio of these triangles, and we will find the ratio of these triangles in the similar way we found earlier. So we are going to do it here. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE. Now you all have to tell me क्या होगा इसका रेशियो. जल्दी जल्दी करो बच्चों, because I know you can do it very fast. You can do faster than me. I know. Now you have to use the formula of area of triangle, that is half into base into perpendicular height. And here we will consider DG as the perpendicular height for this AE as well, and for this triangle CDE as well. So हम लोगों ने अगर इसको कंसिडर किया है, तो for triangle ADE this will be half into base AE into DG. और नीचे के लिए क्या होगा? That will be the same. Yes, you are answering the right thing. That is half into CE into DG. यहां भी क्या होगा? Their DG and DG will be cancelled, and half will be also cancelled. Half cancelled. DG and DG are cancelled, and we have got AE upon CE as equation number 2. Now we have got these two equations. यहां मैं आप लोगों को एक बहुत छोटा लेकिन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात बताने जा रहा हूं, जो आप लोगों ने क्लास 9th में पढ़ा होगा. And what is that? Once there are two triangles, triangle BDE, and these are triangle BDE and triangle CDE. They lie on the same base DE, and between the same parallel lines DE and BC. So what is the theorem? The theorem states that if two triangles, they lie on the same base and between the same parallels, these two triangles BDE and CDE lie on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC, then they will be equal in area. How easy it is. I know this is easy for you. Hey, one more thing I wanted to tell you. I am doing it by long method, but I have one shortcut method for you, so you don't need to go anywhere, because after I will prove this, I will give you the shortcut method, so you need to be here. That is so interesting, and you can do this question in 4-5 steps only. Now, as you have got in equation 1, what we have got, I know you all remember, that is AD upon DB, and here we have got AE upon CE. So once we will consider these two things, and once we considered these two triangles have equal area, so what we have got from here, we have got area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE, that I am going to write. Triangle BDE will be equal to triangle CDE. This I am writing as equation number 3. So now we have to do some calculations in mind. Now we have equation number 1 AD upon BD, equation number 2 that is AE upon CE, and equation number 3 as these two triangles are equal. So from here what we conclude? We conclude from here that AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon CE. Hence we are going to write that. What we will write? We will write from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3. Yes, you are writing it right. This is the right thing. Like AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon CE. Hence this theorem is proved here. आप लोगों को कहीं जाना नहीं है. I have proved this theorem. Although this is the longest method. लेकिन कोई चीज अगर लॉन्ग होता है तो there is always a shortcut. And for me, I want to make maths as simple as possible. So मेरे पास एक shortcut भी है इसका. लेकिन now I hope you all would have done it. So let's move forward. And I am giving you the summary notes for this proof. Here you will see the summary notes. You can find there are 3-4 slides that you can take the screenshot, because I am going out of the slide for you to take the screenshot. You can take the screenshot of this, and at the end this. Hence this theorem is proved. But yes, now we have the shortcut method, that is alternate method. How we are going to do it? हम लोग फिर से सेम ट्राइंगल बनाने वाले हैं जो हमने लास्ट टाइम बनाया था. And what is that triangle? Triangle ABC. And where there is one parallel line DE that is parallel to base BC. अब हमारे पास ये है, तो हम लोगों को एक बहुत छोटा सा तरीका अपनाना है. What we have learned in class 9. वो क्या तरीका है? Once you will see these two things, these two angles, angle D and angle B, they are equal. Why they are equal? As these two lines are parallel. So ये दोनों angle equal होंगे. They are equal because they are corresponding angles. And in similar way, अगर आप right hand side की ओर देखते हैं, I mean here at angle E and angle C, they both will be equal. Why they will be equal? Same, they will be equal because they are corresponding angles. So from here, what we conclude? Triangle ADE, that will be similar to triangle A, B and C. और वो कैसे similar होगा? Because angle. So these two triangle, I am going to write it. Triangle ADE will be similar to triangle ABC by angle criterion. So you would have understood it till now. By criterion, angle, A criterion. That is one of the easiest criterion. Now as they are similar, so what we know, if they will be similar, so their sides will be in proportion. So from here we conclude AB upon AD, that will be equal to AC upon AE. ऐसा क्यों होगा? आप लोगों को ये रीजन बताना है. So many students are answering this question. Yes, you are right. They will be in proportion because they are corresponding parts of similar triangle. और ये बहुत ही छोटा एस्पेक्ट था. नाउ मैं आप लोगों को एक इंसाइट देने वाला हूं. ओके, नाउ आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग अबाउट मैथ्स. आई एम जस्ट अ टीचर. I am just an enabler. I am not going to spoon feeding I am not going to do spoon feeding. I will make you enable to do this question. Now you have AB here, AD here, you have to find BD. How you will find it? Once you will subtract AD from AB, you will find the DB. And in similar way, in RHS, once you will subtract AC from AE, then you are going to get EC. So कितना ही easy है ये. So I am going to do that. For that, we will subtract 1 from both the side. And I am going to do it here only. AB by AD minus 1 is equal to AC by AE minus 1. And once we will subtract it, do it very fast because I know so many students are giving me the answer and you all can give me the answer. This is very important and ये बहुत ही easy part है. क्योंकि ये easy है इसलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोग खुद से करो. मैं तो कभी भी कर सकता हूं आपके लिए क्योंकि मेरा काम ही वही है. But yes, you can do this and you have that capability. I want to make you capable of doing all the question of mathematics. So now as I can see, maximum of you have done this question. तो मैं आगे ये रब करने जा रहा हूं और इसको आगे प्रोसीड कर रहा हूं. So from here, what we get? AB minus AD. AB minus AD upon AD is equal to RHS वाला आंसर आप लोग दो. Hey, you all are giving the right answer. That is AC minus AE upon AE. And what is that? That is, once you will do AB minus AD. What is that? That is BD. So here we got BD upon AD. That is equal to AC minus AE. AC minus AE. That is equal to AE. So what? That is equal to EC. So this is EC upon AE. And this is not the required thing. What we needed to prove? We needed to prove something else. So here I am going to rub this and I am going to show you this thing. आप लोगों ने inverse का नाम सुना होगा. If you will reverse this thing, what you are going to get? If you will reverse this, you are going to get AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE or EC, whatever you call, because this doesn't matter at all. And hence, this was the required proof. How easy and how simple it was. We could do it in 3-4 steps. आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही easy है और आप लोग कर सकते हो. मुझे पता है क्योंकि most of you have done it before me. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब मेरे स्टूडेंट्स इस प्रकार का कुछ करते हैं. So now we will move on. Now what we have seen the practical application of BPT. We have seen how to prove BPT in 2 ways. One is longest way and another is shortcut. Now we are going to do an example. So let's move and let's do some example. And what is that example? आपके पास एक triangle given है. Here is the triangle ABC है जिसमें कि ये बेस BC पैरेलल है DE के और हमारे पास कुछ रेशियोज गिवन हैं. तो सो नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x. यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस वैल्यू ऑफ x. कैसे आप फाइंड आउट करोगे? तो मुझे पता है कि आप लोग करोगे. सो डू इट फास्ट बिकॉज आई वांट द आंसर बिफोर मी. आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. But yes, you have to give me the answer. I can see so many students have solved it. We have to use Thales theorem here only because as DE is parallel to BC. So ये triangle के sides क्या होंगे? They will be in proportion. As they will be in proportion, here we can use Thales theorem. और अगर हम Thales theorem use करते हैं तो what that states? That states AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. That is Thales theorem. और हमारे पास ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. आप लोगों को ये बिल्कुल ही ध्यान में रखना है. नाउ एज यू नो दिस थिंग, सो अब आप क्या करोगे? आपके पास कुछ वैल्यूज दिए गए हैं जैसे कि AD की वैल्यूज आपके पास हैं. AD इज इक्वल टू 5x minus 3, BD इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड AE इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड EC इज इक्वल टू 6. आप लोग बस इसको वहां से क्या करोगे? ये वैल्यू वहां पुट कर दोगे. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 5x minus 3 upon 4 that is equal to 3 upon 6. आप लोग जल्दी जल्दी करो and give me answer in the comment box because I'm waiting for your answer. So many of you have answered it. Yes, I want my students to be faster than me because yes, I'm a teacher. मुझे सारे बच्चों का ख्याल रखना है, लेकिन जो लोग कर सकते हैं करिए. मैं आप सबके लिए करने वाला हूं. So here, now what we will do? We will cross multiply it. That is the easiest method that you have studied in all the classes. अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, what we are going to get? We are going to get 30x minus 18. 6 5 जा 30x, 6 3 जा 18 is equal to 12. And once we got it, हम क्या करेंगे? हमारे पास जो नंबर्स हैं तो हम उसको एक साइड ले जाएंगे इक्वल टू के, और जो वेरिएबल्स हैं लाइक 30x उसको हम उसी साइड रहने देंगे. सो what we will get here? We will get 30x is equal to 12 plus 18. What is that? That is 30. And once 30x will be equal to 30, so what is the value of x? The value of x will be 30 upon 30. That is equal to 1. And hence the value of x is equal to 1. How easy this was? These type of questions might come in your exam. So I have done this for you. And yes, I have solution of this question as well. What you can see in the next slide, I have done that for you. But I wanted you to solve this with me as I have done it with you as well. So let's move forward and let's see the solution. You can take a screenshot of this solution and you can do it later by yourself, and you can do some more questions on triangle, as this is one of the most important topic of class 10th mathematics. So this was the end of class. Now this is time to bid you adieu, and this is a time to say you farewell. I am going, but yes, I will come with some more amazing classes. But before that, I want you to know one thing. There is one important quotation. What is that? In my opinion, although it's not my opinion, but I follow that in my life. In my opinion, all things in nature happens or occur mathematically. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll meet you again. Have fun and enjoy the class. Thank you.